new Bloomberg intelligence report predicts that AI could eliminate up to 200,000 jobs in the banking sector. Roles in back-office operations, customer service, and KYC processes are most at risk. While this presents challenges, it also creates opportunities for new roles and skill sets. Banks will need to invest in employee training and upskilling to adapt to this evolving technological landscape. This shift underscores the need for the banking industry to embrace AI responsibly while mitigating potential job displacement. Subscribe to the FinRate for latest news and updates from the fintech world. Thanks for watching.